क्या आप अपना करियर आईटी सेक्टर में बनाना चाहते हैं? क्या आप टॉप आईटी एमएनसीज में जॉब कर रहे हैं बट सैलरी मार्केट स्टैंडर्ड की नहीं मिल रही है? तो पेश है क्लाउड डेवऑप्स हब ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट, एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जहां हम देंगे आपको A to Z कंप्लीट आईटी डेवलपमेंट प्लस ऑपरेशंस प्लस 100% प्लेसमेंट असिस्टेंस प्रोफेशनल्स आईटी एक्सपर्ट्स के द्वारा, जो कि 15 प्लस इयर्स एक्सपीरियंस्ड है। यहाँ पर आपको रियल आईटी कंपनी का नॉलेज मिलेगा, प्राइमरीली ऑन AWS क्लाउड एंड टॉप 10 DevOps टूल्स और क्लाउड प्रोफाइल में बिना कोडिंग के, जिसकी फ्यूचर और मार्केट में बहुत डिमांड और सैलरी है, जो आपको बेस्ट आईटी कंपनी में बेस्ट प्रोफाइल में अपना करियर बनाने में मदद करेगा, और जहां आपको मिलेगा 24/7 कम्युनिटी सपोर्ट बाय 50,000 प्लस प्रोफेशनल्स इंस्ट्रक्टर, लाइव LED ट्रेनिंग के साथ लाइफ टाइम एक्सेस टू क्लास ट्रेनिंग रिकॉर्डिंग्स, डॉक्यूमेंट्स विथ लाइव प्रोजेक्ट टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स फॉर DevOps एक्टिविटी, ट्रेनिंग सर्टिफिकेशन, इंटरव्यू प्रेपरेशन एंड रिज्यूम मेकिंग। आप हमारी वेबसाइट www.clouddevopshub.com पर जाकर न्यू बैचेस की इंफॉर्मेशन भी ले सकते हैं, और साथ ही लाइव ऑनलाइन डे वाइज डिटेल्ड सिलेबस भी चेक कर सकते हैं, जिसमें आप हमारे कोर्स के सारे मॉडल्स की डिटेल्ड इंफॉर्मेशन चेक कर सकते हैं कि आपको कौन सा मॉडल किस डेट को पढ़ाया जाएगा। इतना ही नहीं, आप हमारे YouTube चैनल @CloudDevOpsHub पर जाकर सक्सेस स्टोरीज, स्टूडेंट्स टॉक्स, डे वाइज लाइव सेशंस, रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स के वीडियोस भी देख सकते हैं। हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट से पढ़े हुए स्टूडेंट्स मल्टीपल ऑफर्स लेकर आज टॉप मोस्ट आईटी कंपनीज में अच्छे पैकेजेस में जॉब कर रहे हैं। सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? अपने करियर को एक नई पहचान देने के लिए आज ही क्लाउड डेवऑप्स हब पर रजिस्टर करें। क्लाउड डेवऑप्स हब, visit www.clouddevopshub.com. WhatsApp 9993445100.
Hello everyone and welcome and thanks for joining us. What we are doing it, we are going to learn the things as a Docker as well as Kubernetes in the today's session. Okay. And before we will start our journey of the learning, I would like to introduce myself or what we are. I am from the Cloud DevOps Hub. I am the person who is maintaining, who is providing the mentorship as well as training to the student, step by step, live, online, and like the LED training. Like today we are learning, I am the person who is providing the training to them. If you want to talk with me, here is my number. I know everyone, you already have my number, but it is available on my website as well. As soon as you can message me, I will get to know that yes, you are messaging me. Okay. And as well as we have our YouTube channel as well. If you are still not yet aware that what we are teaching, what all we are doing it, you can come to our YouTube channel from the place in our website. Okay, you can click here and you can come to our YouTube channel as well. There are some lots of free videos are available which you want to learn, you can learn it anytime. Okay, and recording will also be available in our YouTube channel on the workshop session or workshop playlist. Okay, cool. And if you want to connect with us, Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn, anywhere, all the options are available. You can connect with us anytime or connect with me anytime. Cool. And what we are doing it, what we are, this is just a 2-minute video. If you will watch it, not now, okay, after the session, if you will watch it, you will get to know everything about us. Cool. What we are doing today, what's our today's agenda? Okay, our today's agenda is a part of one big program, that is AWS plus DevOps, that is a training plus placement program. If you want to see what all things we are going to learn with a complete program, you can click on this place and you will see the complete syllabus, what all things we have to learn to become a AWS as well as a DevOps engineer. Okay, so that is the complete program available here. All the details, what all things on which day we are going to learn, it is available into this link. Okay, if you want, I can give this link directly to you as well, so that you can keep it handy, or you can make the bookmark so that you will aware what all things we have to learn it. Cool. And if you no need to, if you don't want to bookmark, you can bookmark my website. You can come into this place and you can always see. Okay, that is a big program. But today's agenda, as today is a 7 Jan or 11 a.m. IST, we are going to start our journey for the Docker as well as Kubernetes. Okay, all okay? Just raise your hand. All okay? All good? Yeah. Okay. Cool. Cool. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah. So I'm coming to our day one session. What exactly it is? As I told, this is a part of our big program. And in the big program, what all things are there? There are 9 modules where we will learn the things step by step. Okay. Learn the things step by step. What all things we are going to learn? If you will come into the website only, as soon as you will join us, we will teach you all the things related to the DevOps, means DevOps foundation related things we are going to teach to you. After that, in the module 2, we are going to teach you the Linux related things, all the things as to become a DevOps engineer or a cloud engineer. What all things related to Linux you have to learn, we are going to teach you that also. That all details is available into each sheet. First 3 days, we will teach you the DevOps foundation. After that, next 1 week completely for the Linux administration activities. Okay, that is our module 2. Then we will start our journey for the AWS, that is the cloud. In place of this AWS, you can learn any of the cloud also. That's fine. If you want to become a DevOps engineer, any of the cloud is fine. So we are teaching at this point the top 10 services of AWS that is available. Which all 10 services? It's all the details are available here, which is our 2 weeks journey. In this 2 weeks, we are going to learn all the things related to the AWS, which are the top 10 or top 15 services, which is used by each and every company. And then the actual journey of our DevOps engineer is going to start, which is from the module 4. Means if you want to become a DevOps engineer, you have to aware about the tools that is a free of cost available into the market. That tools you have to learn it. Okay, that tools we are going to start from the Tuesday, or we can say from the Wednesday, or from the day 21 of our part. Okay, that is a DevOps journey part, which we are going to start from the 11th Jan. Okay, 11th Jan, we can say today is the 7th, and of 7-8 we are just learning the overviews as well. And after that, from the 11th, we are going to start all the DevOps tools one by one, slowly and into the very deep way. Okay, what all things we are going to learn? We are going to learn the starting. We will learn the start our journey with the Git and GitHub, and then we will start our journey for the Jenkins as well. That is means the code management as well as the automation over the code we will do with the help of Git and Jenkins. That we are learning into the module 4, and then we will come into the module 5, Docker and Kubernetes, which you will see into the today's session. Okay, and then after creating the virtual machines, after creating the containers, we will learn how to do the automations, okay, with the help of Ansible and Terraform in the module 6. Day-wise details are already available into this place. The part 2 of the module 4, the Git and Jenkins, it's around 2 weeks journey, which we are going to do in the from the day 21 to day 28. Means around 7 to 8 classes will happen for this. It will be on the advanced level as well for 3+ or 5+ year experience candidate as well. Okay, after that, our journey for the module 5, the Docker and Kubernetes, that is also on the experience level. Okay, we will start our journey with absolute fresher, then we will move into the experience level as well. Okay, for the because you have to work into the real time. That all things also we will teach into the complete 1 week for the Docker and Kubernetes. Then we will come to the module 6, that is Ansible and Terraform. That is again a automation related things. Plus, after creation of lot of this multiple tools, we have to monitor that tools also, right? So we will monitor this all tools in the module 7 with the Prometheus and Grafana, with again a automation that is with the help of Helm. We are going to teach to you that as well. And as if you want to become a good package, you want to get the 20 lakh package, more than 30 lakh package, or more than 40-50 lakh package, because you can get the package into our Cloud and DevOps profile. If you want to come into little bit of the programming as well, that also we are going to teach related to the DevOps, means related to the automations. Means I'm going to teach you the Python automation which is required on the Amazon or AWS cloud. Okay, means automation related things on the Python we are going to teach. We are not going to teach the Python. We are going to teach the Python which is required for the DevOps engineer. We are going to teach the Linux or Linux administration or shell script which is required for the DevOps engineer. That is the automation thing that we will cover into the module 8. After that, our module 9 will come. In this module 9, you can see there are multiple projects are there. The project 1, the real-time project, which is a complete CI/CD, which is a complete DevOps project. Second project is completely on the Kubernetes, that is e-commerce microservice-based application, that is a Java, Python, Go, .NET, or multiple different languages we are going to use, and we are going to create it. The real-time project that is completely on the Kubernetes or Kubernetes administration activities. Means administration, when I'm talking about the administration means I'm going to develop this code. Okay, I will teach you how to take the code, how to create a containers with the help of this code, how to deploy this code, how to create a Kubernetes infrastructure, and we will take care and we will create a complete project on this Kubernetes as well. The third project, which is completely on AWS, means 40 different resources we are going to create on the AWS cloud with the help of Terraform code. This is our 3 projects. All the 3 projects are real time. I will demonstrate, I will run in front of you. Okay, and I will share the complete code on the GitHub to you. Okay, so you can also perform this activity, and I will teach you how to write this projects into your resume to get a good job or to get a good package or to convert your profile, whatever it is, testing, .NET, whatever it is, non-technical, whatever it is. If you will understand this project, you will understand my course. You are able to migrate your profile from any other profile to the cloud or DevOps profile. This is what and then I will help you out to give the interviews. Okay, we have a very big community. With the help of the community, we will help you out to get openings, get referrals, and then I will arrange your mock interviews every weekend, every Wednesday, 9 p.m. IST. And every bi-weekly, there is the student presentations are also there. The student presentation, when I'm talking about the student presentation, you can see here, some class recordings are already there on the YouTube. Some student presentation means if you will come into this place, what my student have learned with me. Okay, they are only giving the presentation. That is a 2.5 hour, 3 hours video where my students has given the presentation. You can see a 2 hours and 10 minutes. My student have given the presentation. You can come to my website and check all the things. And after learning the things, you can make the success story. You can see what all success stories we have created. Means how many students has placed with the help of us. So here is the detail. You can watch all these videos. Here you will see students are getting 10 packages with very high package. Okay, 10 offers. Some freshers from the non-technical background also placed in a big company like Paytm, Hipla, and join the MNC in the training period itself. Okay, his complete interview is available here. Like that, you can see a lot of things from the different batches are available into this place. I hope guys, you understood what we are. You can unmute and you can talk with me. You understood? Just I explain about my website, nothing else. Is that okay? Unmute and just say yes, no. Guys, you can unmute and let me know.
Yes,
Yes. Cool. Okay.
yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Well, we understood this. But would like to. My name is Anand Prabhat.
Yes, Anand, go ahead.
Would like to know. I mean, like your courses are like at what time do you hold the classes? Like,
My
if someone is a working
start
professional.
at 8 a.m. IST every day,
Mm.
Monday to Friday. It's on the top. It's written.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, fine. And what's the duration of the class?
You can see that duration is 1.5 hours every day, and it will be around 51 or 55 days. If you will see the previous batch recording, I will show you the previous batch recording as well. This is batch 27 drive. Okay. As soon as you will see that, you will get to know that how many classes happen. If any extra classes happen, I will put into the extra classes folder itself. Okay. If anything, what we can say, if any, whatever the mock interviews we are taking, we are putting into this folder, that these are the mock interviews we have taken for our student M1, M2, M3. And we have mentioned that Utkarsh, for your experience, soon he will get an offer, which I have provided the information on 28th September as well. And you can see that this person already got placed. Okay, Utkarsh. Batch 28, 28, 28, 28, 28, 28. Where is that 28 video? It's not here. It should be for sure. I will see where exactly it is. This student already get placed. Okay, I can show in my WhatsApp as well. I will show. Okay, in some couple of minutes. Okay, so what you can see that here, all the mock interviews, whatever we are taking, it will be here. Plus day wise, every day, day one, day two, day three session, all the recordings will be here into the drive. And you can see here around 48 classes happen, plus some extra classes, GCP account creation, AWS account creation, how to create a Naukri profile, how the interview discussion should happen, tips and tricks. Projects are separate. Okay, extra referrals which we have provided. Okay, which we did the discussions. All the projects and all the workshops are here as well. Okay, means this is what the duration happen in 3 months. This all details will be available as a video for them to keep it lifetime. Okay, because these are the live classes we will record and we will save into the drive as well. It makes sense?
Yeah. Well, just one more question.
Okay.
For someone who is already working in, say cybersecurity,
Hmm.
how would this particular course add value to the
See, how much
experience or
is your
profile?
okay? Only one question I will take. How much is your experience as a
3.5 years.
cybersecurity engineer, right? From
Yeah.
the starting, you are a cybersecurity engineer.
Yeah, the cloud security.
Okay, cool. Cloud security, right? In which
Yeah.
cloud?
Azure as well as Oracle Cloud.
Azure as well as Oracle, means you are using the Azure as well as Oracle services on a security perspective, right?
Correct. Correct.
Right. But if you want to come into the automation, if you want to come into the DevOps profile, then this course will be very helpful for you so that you can become a DevSecOps engineer. Okay, at this point, I can make you the DevOps engineer. Okay, but you are already about the security, right? So you can become a DevSecOps engineer and you will get a very, very good package. I hope you are aware about the DevSecOps.
Yeah, I am aware about DevSecOps because
I will
these
teach
days.
I
Yeah.
will teach DevOps to you, and you already have a SecOps related things. So you can create your profile with this and you will become a DevSecOps engineer.
Okay.
Okay. And you
Yeah.
will get a more package than the DevOps engineer because you already know the security part as well, which I will not teach to you, but you are already aware about it. You will add in your resume. And I can give this type of tricks to every profile, that how you can add the DevOps into your current profile. It makes sense?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure. Okay, guys, I will talk with you at the end. No worries. Okay, but at this point, let me tell what we are. Okay, cool. And this is just a journey we are going to start about that. And okay, and this is a part of one of the big program, and this is the part which we are going to do it today. And I will take care of all the questions: why, when, how, where, how we can do it, everything. No need to worry. Just stay with me for the next 1.5 hour. After 1.5 hour, we will talk with your questions. Okay, and in between also, I will give a chance to talk with me. Okay, cool. And in this, you will get a full community support from the WhatsApp as well as the community into the Facebook as well. Okay, and all the recordings, all the class training videos, PPTs, whatever we are going to discuss, everything available into our drives as well. Always, no need to worry for that. Okay, it's an instructor based online live sessions. You will learn with me live, like today you are learning. You can live, you can talk with me every time. Okay, tips and tricks related to the DevOps we will share with you. Training certificate at the end of the session, you can get the training certificate as well. If you have any gap, you want to convert your profile into the DevOps, you want to show the training certificate, you can show, which I will provide it to you. Okay, and as well as you can get all the interview related preparation, how to create a profile, how to create a Naukri profile, how the Naukri profile will pick the algorithm, and your profile will come into the top. That all things we are going to do it, and we will create your resume as well, and we will apply into the Naukri as well as we will get you the internal reference, and you can go for the job. Okay, and who we are? I'm from the Cloud DevOps Hub. We have a Facebook community as well. Yes, can you guess it? In our Facebook community, how many members can be possibly available? Can you guess it? In my community?
More than 53,000.
You know me, okay? You know me, right? That's why, okay? There are 53,000 candidates like you, okay? Or who want to become a DevOps engineer. It's already in my group, okay? Means we are not new, no need to worry about it. We are very old. And who I am the person who is maintaining this group. My name is Vikas, okay? You can see the Facebook profile as well, okay? I'm maintaining this group of 53,000. It's a Facebook community, okay? And here we have a small WhatsApp communities as well, which we have created for our users or for our daily communication. Cool. And my profile 53,000 are there, 24-bar community support is there. And what we are providing to you, if let's assume you join my batch and by any reason you missed it or you are not able to continue that, no need to worry. You can come to my next batch anytime. Okay, means my next batch will get start after 3 months. You are the eligible candidate to come into my next batch as well, because I know the reason why we are giving this benefit to you. Because sometimes some students say that, sir, we are into the shift, we are joining in middle, whatever it is, I will never ask any question. As you are my already my student, you are welcome to come into the next batch as well, free of cost. I will not charge anything, okay? And this is the training you are getting with the help of 11 years experience professional, and I am a DevOps architect or DevOps expert as well. You will get a training with me only, okay? And that things you will get to know by today only, no need to worry. All the interview preparations, career growth, tips and tricks related to AWS, DevOps, everything we will take care. Cool. And we are starting our journey of AWS plus DevOps. I can say that we are primarily learning the DevOps tool on the AWS cloud. Okay, means we will take as a platform as a AWS, or you can take any platform, AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, whatever you like. We can take the platform as AWS, but in my course, I will take primarily as AWS, and I will teach a Google Cloud as well, because some automations or Google Cloud is very mature as compared to AWS in some perspective, like Kubernetes. Kubernetes is very mature in Google Cloud as compared to AWS. Okay, so like that, we are going to start our journey. The journey is challenging, but the course is created like that only. Course means you can see every day what all things we have to learn, what all practicals we have to done, in how much we have to learn it. Okay, because if you will see the journey, okay, something like Python is never ending, right? If you will learn the Python for the next year, 1 year also, it's not it will never complete it. Okay, but what all things or how much we have to learn, that I will teach. Okay, and I will give all the 30 plus projects, practicals, everything to you guys. Okay, cool. And here in this 40% will be the theory and 60% will be the hands-on practical scenarios discussions. We will do it in our complete classes. Okay, how you can join us? You if you are absolute beginner, you don't have any knowledge, no need to worry, because we are going to start our journey with very basics always. Okay, we will provide you the enough real-time practicals, knowledge, scenarios, whatever you want. We will provide you each and everything, plus top DevOps tools, whatever every company is going to use or they are using it. That things we are going to teach to you on the AWS cloud itself. My primary intention is I would like to make the community on the WhatsApp as well as Facebook, so that we will connect with each other and we can help each other. Let us assume you are into the big company. I have a good candidates. I want to get it referral to your company. I can take the help from you and we will get it placed into that. Let us assume someone Rocky or Siddiqui has already raised that. Let us assume they are working into the one big MNC like Facebook and Google. They get an opportunity that they have an opening in their company. So what we can say that I will talk with him and I can say that, okay, you have an opening. I have some student, you can place them in your company. Like you can arrange the interview and they have a capability. They know the things, they will crack the interview and they will be join the company. You will get a good referral benefit. I will get my student placed into the big MNC. That's my intention. Okay, and we are targeting the individuals. I don't need a big groups. I'm creating a small groups. Okay, individuals who want to begin their journey or they want to become a DevOps engineer. Looks good? Okay, yes or no?
Yes.
Cool. Thank you, Prakash. Okay, and I'm Vikas. I have a decades of experience. I'm a certified architect into the AWS as well as Google Cloud. I'm the certified or architect level or CKAD administrator level Kubernetes experience as well as the Red Hat certification as well. Okay, I'm the senior cloud architect into one of the big MNC. I'm the corporate trainer as well. You can see, or you may get some training into the big MNC as well with the help of me. Okay, the reason behind it, I'm a corporate trainer. If I'm telling a corporate trainer means I'm giving a training to the companies or company employees as well. So maybe some student has already know me as a corporate trainer, but I'm providing my personal training as well as the mentorship to you guys. Okay, and I have published some articles, blogs into the internet as well. You will see it. Cool. Guys, all okay? Digestible till now?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Okay, and the question will come. The very important question will come. Who can become a DevOps engineer? I can prove anyone can become a DevOps engineer. Anyone who want to defense with me, I will just give me a 2 minutes or 3-4 minutes, and then you can give a counter question to me that I can become a DevOps engineer or not. I will give answer. Someone has unmuted for the cyber security. I can say that yes, he can become a very good DevSecOps engineer. Okay, like that. Any of the Linux administration people, support engineer, technical support engineer, non-technical support engineer can also become a DevOps engineer, because I will teach each and everything. Okay, in my course we are starting our journey from the very basics as well. Okay, so you don't have to worry for all these things. Okay, one part. Second is, if you are already a manual tester, okay, if you're already a manual tester, you are doing or you are working into the development environment, then how you can become a DevOps engineer? Because you are already working with the dev people, you know how to play with the code or how to make a build with the help of code. So you are already doing the manual testing, and in the DevOps also, if you will see the infinity loop of DevOps, there is a testing part. You have to learn more DevOps tools, then you can become a DevOps engineer. Linux admin or administration activities, you are already doing it. We DevOps engineer also the administrator of multiple tools. Yes, we can become a DevOps engineer for sure. Automation engineer, developers. Someone has raised the question, I'm a Java full stack developer. Can I? Yes, you can. The reason is you are already a developer. If you will see the keyword of DevOps, half part 50% is a developer, means 50% things you already know. I have to teach 50% of the things to you, and you can become a DevOps engineer. Bhomu, you got the answer. Okay. Network engineer, because I have to teach the networking as well. In our AWS cloud, networking is also there. You can see here networking. So network engineer can also become a DevOps engineer. The reason behind it, as you are already a network engineer, you are playing with the network. So if you will learn the tools, primary intention I want to say in short, if you will learn the tools which are open source, freely available into the market, most of the companies are using that automation tool, then you can become a DevOps engineer. And the next question is fresher can become a DevOps engineer? The reason I'm telling that yes, because if you are a fresher, you know the technology, you will work from the starting with the minimum 5 lakh or 10 lakh package. Okay. If you are a fresher or you will without knowledge, you will go into the company after 5 years also, you will be into the 5 lakh package. And if you want to join the company with 5 lakh package or everywhere you want a high 100% hike, then you have to become a technology person. I can prove that. I will show my WhatsApp to you. Okay. That's a very latest discussion happened with one of my candidate. Okay. My candidate, which I'm taking as a batch 28 is running. I'm going to the batch 27 group. Okay. Why it's slow? Let me refresh it. Is my internet is off? No. Really? Just give me a second, guys. Very bad. Yeah, it's loading. Okay. Okay. I'm showing my batch 27. Okay. Batch/27. Okay. Here is my batch 27 student. Okay. All the students are from my batch 27. I'm saving everyone's number. Okay. Whoever is my student, I'm saving everyone number. Okay. Batch 27, I just posted this that we are starting a free workshop. Okay. And you can see here previous thing. Okay. And these are the Happy New Year discussions, Happy New Year messages. Okay. No need to worry. And if you will see here, congratulations. The congratulations means a student who get placed. Let's see who got placed. Okay. I got placed in Fidelity as a DevOps engineer. This is the Meghna girl. Okay. She is a fresher. She is a fresher and she got a good package as well, around 10 lakh package. Okay. As a fresher, I can show her chat as well. Okay. Meghna, I asked her photograph. Okay. Yesterday, some days back, I have asked her photograph. Antesh, mute yourself. I asked her, Papa, so I got selected in Fidelity. This is 12/17, means around 10 days back. Okay. As a DevOps engineer, very nice, Meghna. Really happy for you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And Meghna, can you share your photograph? I asked on Tuesday, and as soon as she get an offer, okay, I received the offer letter, sir, and she gave the photograph as well. Right. So what we are doing it, we are always, means it's a trust on the student. We are, if you will see my batch 27, lots of students got placed. You can see here. This is one person I got selected as a Fidelity. If you will go back, okay, Utkarsh, senior DevOps engineer. Okay, congratulations. Wow, Utkarsh, it's really happy buddy profile you got now. Okay, attended 3 interview, got selected into the 2 companies. Because we give a training on that much level, knowledge we given, as soon as they are giving the, as soon as they are giving the interviews, they are getting selected. And see this person, I will show his, what we can say, batch 27 recording. Okay, I'm showing his mock interview also. Utkarsh, 4-year experience, soon he will get an offer. I told on 28th September. Okay, on 28th September I told him, but he given an interview little bit late. He given 3 interviews and he got a 2 offers. He haven't told me about the package. I haven't asked, but yeah, he got a very good package. Okay, you can approx double, triple also. Okay, so this is what we are, it's happening in every batch. Okay, so recently we have started our batch 28 as well. Soon you will see. Okay, when you will meet me next time, you can let me know that, sir, show me the batch 28 of a selection also. I can show. Even I can say today also, which batch, around some days back, we have started our batch and there is the offer already. It's going to be happen in very soon. Means he given an interview, she selected also, and she is going to be published into our group as well very soon. Okay, whenever we will meet next time, I will show that also. Okay, so you can see that we have a lots of offers in every group. Now, guys, I want to talk with you for some couple of minutes, that anyone who can say that I can't become a DevOps engineer. Unmute and let me know. I will say that how you can become a DevOps engineer. Rocky has raised the hand. Rocky, you want to talk with me? No. Guys, who want to talk with me, please unmute. Please raise your hand. I will give you opportunity to talk with me. No one? Siddiqui Sheikh. Yes, Siddiqui, you can unmute yourself and talk with me, please. Ram, you want?
Sir, I don't have any experience. I want to go as an experienced DevOps engineer. Is it possible for me to go there?
You have to learn the things, then you can go as an experienced engineer. The reason is, if you will see my course, in my course, there are some topics which are for the experience level as well. Okay, Kubernetes is not for the freshers; it's for the, especially for the experienced people. If you know that part, yes, you can become an experienced person as well into that DevOps.
Sir, when we enter into that environment, we all know about these things. But when you are going for an interview, they're going to ask you about what about your previous projects, how you are going to do firewalls, APIs, and these things.
I'm going to teach everything. Whatever you are telling about the firewalls related things, I'm going to teach into this day. Networking, you can see here, VPC, CIDR, subnet, gateway, net gateway, VPC endpoint, route tables, and everything I'm going to teach to you with practicals. Okay, and if you will see here, if you're talking about the infrastructure networking thing, infrastructure project discussion for resume means I'm giving you the project also into this place. Make sense? Cool. Bharat, you have any question? Madhu, you have raised the hand.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, Madhu.
Sir, actually, I have completed my AWS and DevOps course. I'm
Okay.
looking for a job.
Okay.
Last 2 months, there is no calls. I have kept 3 years of experience.
See, you are not getting a calls. You have to show me your Naukri profile. Okay. That your Naukri profile is getting searchable or not. Or I can help you out with the calls. Okay. You don't have to worry. Okay. Because if you will see, my classroom. Okay. If you want to get the referral from the TCS or something like that, okay, it's already, I can show it right away. Whatever the my student has given it interview into some companies. If you want to go for the GCP role into the Cubase, you can send your resume to her and you can get a call. Okay, and some more for the team. Okay, for the CareerNet is one of the. Can you mute yourself, please? Please mute yourself. CareerNet is one of the organization who is hiring for the for I don't know, for TCS only. Okay, as a 3 years experience, if you are doing it, send your resume to Priya. Okay, you will get a call. Okay, like that we are using the Google Cloud, what we can say, Classroom as well for all the referrals. If you want a TCS referral for 0 to 3 years, this is the what we can say consultant person from the politics company. Her mobile number is here and he's providing the calls. Okay, for TCS you can directly get a call for the trend experience to the 5 years with this person. Okay, these all are my contacts. Okay, Amazon, you can see here for the Amazon, this is the person who is hiring for the Amazon from 0 to 6 years. 0 to 2 years they will take as a support engineer, and from 2 to 6 years they will take as a AWS cloud engineer for the Amazon. You can send your profile to him also. And there are lots of openings I am always posting into my classroom for our actual batches. Okay, not for public, for the actual batches. Okay, if you are not getting a call, I can help you out in that as well. It makes sense?
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yes, Siddiqui, go ahead. Last question, okay? Last
Yes.
question. Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, I have a career gap between four years.
Okay, that's a very big problem. Okay, yeah, go ahead.
And can I get a job?
See, you will not get a job very easily. Okay, the reason is you have to give some concrete answer why you have a gap. And whatever you will tell, I don't want to listen. Okay, but it should be a concrete answer that why you have a gap. If you are able to give an answer that I know this all things, okay, I can able to work and I'm ready to work in a less package also, then you will get a job very easily.
Okay.
If you have a skills, you have to say in front of interviewer that because of this reason, you have to make some story kind of thing. Okay, and you have to tell him that because of this reason, I was not able to do my job. I was in my hometown, I was learning, and I'm doing the freelancing project. I don't have the what we can say I don't have the salary slip and all these things, but I earn a very good amount as a freelancer. And you can prove yourself that I know all these things. You can take me an interview for all these topics. I am ready to give whatever is written in my resume. If they will ask 10 questions, if you are able to give the 10 answers, you will get a job. Make sense? Yes or no?
And this is for actually the last question is for my wife.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, I'm working as DevOps engineer for I have experience of 4 years.
Cool. That's too good. Then you have to review my syllabus. Have you reviewed my syllabus?
Yeah, I have.
How it is? Then give the
yeah,
answer to the public, please, if you have a 4 years experience.
Yeah, it's quite good.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Yep.
And I just have a small question. Recently, I am just taking voluntary separation between me and my company because of some health issues.
Okay.
15 days back.
Okay.
So can I get a job can I get a job with gap of 2 to 3 months? Is
Yes,
it okay?
definitely. No need to worry. Okay, 2 to 3 months is a very less duration. You can say that it's a notice period. No worries. You have to
But if they ask pay slip.
see, you can say some. You have to make some story, right? There was a no project. I get it released early.
Okay.
Like that, you have to say something, right?
Okay.
I will teach. I can't teach this all things into the public, right?
Okay. Okay. May I know what's the course fee like this?
I will take care. I will take care. No worries. Okay, but Siddiqui, I have a one question for you. You are a 4-year experience, and
Yes.
as a 4 years, you know all these things, whatever in my course.
Yes.
Are you sure? Pakka?
Except I don't have any knowledge about Kubernetes.
Then you are not a DevOps engineer.
No. I just recently I just worked on Docker, Terraform. I don't have any
Recently. Okay. But see, after my course, you will not say recently. You can say that from the last 3 years, I'm working into this part. Because see, I'm teaching the theory, I'm teaching the practicals. If you will see here, practical number 24, practical number 27, practical 30, practical 40, kind of thing. And every student is doing that practical also. How can I can prove that the students are doing the practical? Because this is the Google Classroom and we are providing the assignments as well to the student. You can see here, extra practical. Okay, all the practicals, students are performing it, and you can see their marks as well. Okay, see, here is the student. You can see what student has given, which practical, and all these details. Okay, so I can say that my students are doing the practicals. That's why I am very much confident on my student that he will get a job.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Yep. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yep. Okay,
Hi,
guys.
this is Bharat.
Bharat, can we talk it after 15 minutes? Is that okay?
Yeah,
Because we
just
have
2
to
minutes
start.
only.
Chalo, last question. Okay, go
Yeah.
ahead.
Yeah, I'm 2+ years experience on AWS DevOps.
Okay, you are already a DevOps engineer.
Yeah, I am working on a Kubernetes, Docker, Jenkins.
Cool, good.
So what are the topics you cover in Kubernetes? Can you give brief?
Okay, cool. I can show that. Okay, where is my workshop? 1 second. If you will see that thing into my syllabus also, you will get it, but I will show that all things into that. See, when I'm talking about the Kubernetes, I will give the container orchestration details, Kubernetes cluster architecture detail on a very high level, plus kubectl detail. Okay, plus components of Kubernetes for deployment services, and we will create a Kubernetes GKE engine as well. Okay, and we will create a Windows machine, means in our local environment as well. Plus, we will create a pod, we will create a service, we will create a load balancer, replica set, deployment, and on everything on the Google Cloud. Okay. Plus, we will do a project which is e-commerce website, or what we can say microservice based application. And in this project, there are a lot of things we are going to cover.
You show EKS also, you can show
I can show into the EKS as well.
EKS also.
Okay. But
Is there any possible for automatic rollback updates?
automatic rollback update is just an option. You just have to select. You don't have to do anything in that.
Okay.
It's just an option.
Actually, I am working on it. So my manager told me I want automatic rollback to the previous version. If
Which
live
cloud you are
version,
working? Which cloud you are working?
I'm AWS.
In AWS, you have to just choose one option. Okay, while creating a AWS a cluster, you have to choose one option. If you will choose that, it's done. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yep, cool. Thank you. And this all things. Plus, I have a lot of things which I can't read. I can write into this place. Okay. Otherwise, this sheet will be very long. Okay, or it will be confusing. Okay. Things are available into our actual PPTs. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Guys, yeah, this is the part 2. What I can say that we are going to start our part 2, which is a DevOps journey from the 11th Jan, and you can enroll with us. Okay, and this is 2.5 month course, 100% placement assistant with community, with multiple internal referrals, interview preparation, resume making, and each and thing whatever you require. If you miss any of the sessions, any of the class, you will get a recording. Plus, you can join my next batch. Whoever is going to be joined from the 11th Jan with us, you will get the batch 29 complete access from a day 1 completely free. You don't have to pay anything for the batch 29. Okay, everything is completely free of cost to you. Okay, no coding experience, no prior experience required, because I will take care from the very basic. Everything we are going to teach to you. Okay, and if you have any gap, you can fulfill that gap of 6 months, 1 year with my training certificate as well. Okay, you can show that this is the training certificate. I was doing the training, and you can show that into your resume as well. You can show into the company as well, and they have to consider that because you have a knowledge. If you have a knowledge, whatever you will say, they will consider that. Okay, cool. I don't want to take your introduction. I already talked with you. Okay, no need to worry. But the reason is, if you will learn the things without any knowledge, the things will be very tough, because DevOps will look like this. From a high level, if you will see what exactly the DevOps is, there are that many tools you have to learn. Okay, and practically it is not possible. I will never encourage that you have to learn the AWS or DevOps without a proper guidance. Okay, because you can't say that how much tool, or because if you will see any of the tool, it's never ending. Okay, if you'll take an example of Docker or Kubernetes, Kubernetes, you cannot learn in the next 3 years also. The reason is, if you will learn something, he will bring something new. So whatever things has to be learned to you, okay, whatever is primarily usable to become a DevOps engineer, then you can, then that all things I'm going to teach you. Docker, Kubernetes, Git has lots of commands which I'm going to teach to you, okay? And so many different tools are there, which is not at all required you to learn, but whatever tools we are going to teach to you, this is the journey of us. Okay, if you will see here, we are going to teach you the Git and Jenkins for the CI/CD purpose. We are going to teach you the Docker. We are going to teach you the Kubernetes. We are going to teach you the Terraform, Ansible, Prometheus, Grafana monitoring tools as well. Plus, on the base as well, okay, we are going to teach you the Python. We are going to teach you the Linux. We are going to teach the Java-based project built with the help of Maven, because I want to make a CI/CD project with the help of Java Spring Boot application. So I will teach the Maven or building part as well. These are the phase of DevOps, which we will cover each and everything so that I can make you a DevOps engineer with that. Cool. I don't want to go into the AWS now. Okay. I will come to the DevOps. Okay. Because we are going to start our journey for the DevOps. Here, if you don't know what is DevOps, I'm ready to give that answer. When developers, testers, and IT operation people, when three primary teams, if you will see the IT, okay, information technology or any of the big MNC, it is belong to the three categories of people: developer, testers, and IT operations. These are the three different teams. They are working in a software development model, means they are working to develop some software. When they are working to develop some software, they have to keep the process of software development lifecycle into the sync. There is a software development lifecycle is there, which they have to keep into the sync, means everyone has to talk with each other, and all the teams, all teams work smoothly, so that the DevOps teams is required. Okay, because someone who has a development experience, someone who has a QA experience, someone who has a operational experience, okay, and they have a little bit experience from other profile as well, they can become a DevOps engineer, and we DevOps engineers are required from the different profile as well. That's why I can say that if you are working in any of the different profile, you can become a DevOps engineer, because in the DevOps, yes, we required some people from the development, we required some people from the QA, we required some people from the operational. And if multiple peoples are there, if I will teach this all things to you, for a non-technical person also, you can become a DevOps engineer. Okay. This is the DevOps. Okay. Why the DevOps is required? Can anyone here can give me the answer why DevOps is required into the company? Guys, anyone can unmute? Yeah, Prakash, go ahead.
To speed up the SL software development cycle.
Superb. Your answer is very good. Okay, to speed up the software development life cycle. Okay, what is the problem? Why the DevOps came into the picture? Means why every company is adopting the DevOps engineer? Bhumik is also giving the correct answer. The delivery of the software product should be faster. I agree with your point, but there is a reason. Siddiqui, you want to, Prakash?
To eliminate the discrepancies between developer team and quality assurance team.
Prakash, your answer is very good. Okay, as I told earlier that we have a multiple teams working for a software development lifecycle, and this is a build. Let us assume this is a build. The developer has write the code. After the code, he compiled it and he created a build. And this build has to be deployed into the another environment, right? This is a developer who deployed into the development environment, but operation people or support engineer will deploy into the production environment. But as soon as developer has given this build to the operation people with some steps, he given some steps and operation people executed that step and it has been breaked. Then who is the responsible person to fix that issue? Guys, can you give me the answer? Who is responsible here? The code has been written by the development team. It has been tested. Everything looks good into the code. Operation people has deployed into the production environment and it's break. Who is the responsible to fix that issue?
DevOps engineer, sir.
Let us assume DevOps team is not at all available. Who will fix it?
Operational team.
Operation people. Chalo, you guys are telling operation people, but operation people don't know the coding. They don't know because they get some steps and they have to execute and the step has been breaked. and they are not able to fix it. They have struggled for the next 2 hours. They have already struggled, and they are telling that we are not able to fix it. Then who will fix it?
Middleware admins.
Middleware admin.
Both don't.
Both team will sit together.
Okay, some people are telling development people. Okay, why developer has to come into the production environment? They are telling that I'm working Monday to Friday. Why should I come on the Saturday or Sunday to perform the activity? This is not my work. I have my own responsibility to perform the activity. Why should I do the operation people work? They will not do. Agree with my point?
Yes, completely.
Right, then who will fix it? Operation people don't have the knowledge. QA people tell that we never know all these things. Okay, so the DevOps team is coming into every company, because DevOps people will make this into a container form. At this point, it is a build. Build means it is running on the environment, but DevOps engineer will make this build into a container, means everything should be packed into the one box, and they have run it and it will work for sure. I can prove that. Okay, I can prove in next 5 minutes this point. Okay, because we are going to do the practical in the next 5 minutes. Okay, means with the help of this package. Okay, we will create, DevOps engineer will create, I will create a container of this thing, and you can run this container by the operation team, or automatically it has to be run, and it will perform the activity and it will not break. Are you agree with my point? Is that practically possible? Are you agree? Yes or not? No one is agree. I can prove. Okay, it's 11:58. 12:05. I will prove that. Okay, next 7 minutes I will prove that. Okay, chalo. If you are not agree, let me prove that. Okay, chalo. Let's come to the practical directly. Leave the theory. Theory is never ending. Let's come to the practical. You will understand in a good way. What we have to do it. I'm just opening my account. Okay, I'm opening my Google Cloud account or any of the account. What we are going to learn. Okay, what we are going to do it. I'm going to create a big picture website. Okay, before creating any of the website, I would like to discuss something with you. Okay, I'm opening my notepad. Okay, this is my notepad. I'm opening a notepad. Okay, let's assume close this. Okay, everyone see my website. Okay, where is my website? This is my website. Okay, I need an experienced person, okay, who can give the answers. This is my website. Okay, Cloud DevOps Hub, and you have to create a website like this. How much time, how much duration, how much money is required with the traditional approach to create this website? Because I'm going to create this website in next 5 minutes to you, in front of you. Guys, can you give me the answer? How much or what all things will be required to create this type of website? I need a manual answers from you guys. Go ahead.
Infrastructure we need.
Infrastructure. Okay, INFERA. And how much will be the cost for this infra?
It depends, right? So
take this example of this website. Give the answer.
Okay. Maybe we can run if it is not highly, I mean, if it is not used by many, then we can go for a T2 medium, something like that.
It's okay, but how much price? I want to go with the traditional approach. I need an amount in short.
Not sure about that exactly.
5,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh.
Okay, we can assume as 5,000.
5,000.
It depends upon.
Okay,
yeah. Let's consider the 5,000 infra is required. Someone is telling domain is required, DNS. Okay, what else will be required? Guys, unmute and talk with me, please. Be fast. Web server will be required, right? What is web server? Because of the web server, this HTML page will come into the front. Okay, web server will be required. Guys, any specific web server you want to take it? Someone has given this answer as a Rajesh. Rajesh, web server. Which web server?
HTTP.
HTTP means Tomcat. Tomcat is outdated. I don't want to go with the Tomcat. Can we take Nginx?
Nginx, okay.
Okay, cool. Yep. What else will be required?
Certificates.
Certificate. Okay, SSL certificate. Leave it. It's a very, I don't want to make very secure. Okay. Leave it. What else?
Database.
DB. Okay, fine. What else? What else?
Load balancers.
LB, load balancer. Okay, fine. What else? Guys, very simple.
Maybe WAF.
Maybe
WAF.
var. What is var?
WAF. WAF.
Firewalls. Firewalls. maybe.
Firewall.
Firewall.
Leave it. I don't want to make very secure. It's okay. I
Okay.
want to create a website like this. Okay. So that some people are telling that infra is required, DNS is required. No one is telling code is not required. Code is required, right? Web developer has to write the code. Correct?
Yes, yes.
Right?
Container.
Container. Okay. Chalo. Container is required. Okay. What else?
It is microservices. Microservice will require.
Don't go very complicated.
Function, okay. The
What
cloud
else?
comes under the container.
All
Yes.
comes into the container. Correct. Chalo,
WAR file.
chalo, leave it. This many things are minimum required, right?
Yes.
And some people, admin people is required to perform this all activities, right? Some developer will be required to write a code, or some infra people will be required to, admin people will be required to perform this all activity, or development people is required for the coding purpose.
Coding purpose.
Correct. Now I need a budget. Guys, how much will be the budget? Because how much time will be required? First, tell me the answer. How much time will be required to create this type of website?
Normally it takes, we can consider this as a 1 month.
1 month. Okay, chalo, I agree. Okay, 1 month. Or how much money will be required? Including this all salaries. Obviously, we have to pay the salary.
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
Around
1 lakh only admin people or developer will take it for 1 month.
maybe 5 lakhs.
Chalo, let's go with the 5 lakhs. Okay. So to create this type of website, we like a 5 lakh budget or 1 month of time. Can you give me 5-minute time and free of cost? I will teach everything. Chalo, let's do. Let's come to the sheet. I'm going to create a one website with the help of DevOps tool in front of you with this 6 step. Very simple 6 steps. I will do it and I will create it. Very first step, I'm telling, go to any of the cloud provider, Google Cloud, AWS, Azure, whatever you want. Go to any of the cloud provider, create a virtual machine. Guys, you understood step 1, step 2? Means if you create a virtual machine, means you created the infrastructure. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Everyone, guys, be active, because you are not watching any YouTube video. You are not seeing any recording. You are into the live class, so you have to perform like a live class. Okay. 2 step is okay. Create a virtual machine. Go to cloud provider any. I will go to the Google Cloud. AWS, so I'm teaching every day. I'm getting bored. I'm going to new cloud provider, that is Google Cloud. Okay. I'm creating a virtual machine here. That is a step 2. Step 3 is install Docker, which is our today's agenda. Okay. Do you think Docker installation is tough? No, I will teach in just 1 line.
No.
Okay, it's very simple.
Install from package manager.
Anywhere. Okay, there are multiple approaches. I will teach all the multiple approaches. Okay. Download a website means download a code, which this code, okay, means developer code. I don't want to write a code at this point, okay, because it will take a time. I will download the code from the free website. Okay, there are lots of free websites are there. HTML codes are available. Okay. Run the container of the Nginx. Nginx is a web server. Someone told about the web server Nginx. I will run this Nginx web server with the help of Docker into a container, and my website will be ready. Guys, have you understood these 5 steps?
Yes. Yeah.
Everyone, any
Yes.
question with this? Yes, no? Guys, any question? Anyone here who haven't understood the first 5 steps? Okay, if you understood, it's very good for me. Okay, I'm going to perform this 6 steps in front of you. Okay, these are the 1 by 1 step we have to do. Go to any cloud provider. I'm writing this all steps in my PPT. Okay, into my notepad. Okay, I have written these all steps from here. Okay, create a website with DevOps tool. Go to any cloud provider. I'm choosing a Google Cloud. I'm going into my account. Okay, in my account there is I have make a bookmark. I went into the console.cloud.google.com. Means this is a Google Cloud, and console means the UI. Okay, this is my account. The project name is March 22. Okay, and I'm going here. I'm going to the very first option, compute. And what is my requirement? I need a virtual machine. So I went into this place. Okay, and in this place I can create a virtual machine. Okay, how to create a virtual machine means in the step 1, go to any cloud provider. I went to the GCP. Okay, create a virtual machine. Okay, chalo, let's create a virtual machine. How to create it? Create a virtual machine here. Guys, I need a name from you guys. Your name, please. Anyone, please unmute and let me know your name. Anyone unmute?
Vishnu.
Vishnu, Vishnu. I need sorry. I need one more person name, please. Anyone else?
Rajesh Rai. Rajesh Rai.
Rajesh. Okay.
Yes.
Anyone else? Anyone else?
Mahesh.
Mahesh. Mahesh. Just I'm creating a name simply because I want to give opportunity to multiple people. I'm creating a virtual machine with the name Vishnu Rajesh Mahesh. Okay. And I'm creating a virtual machine which is of the most popular operating system. Can you guys give me the answer? Which is the most popular operating system available into the market?
Ubuntu.
Yes. Ubuntu. I'm taking the Ubuntu version 18 of 10 GB size. I'm selecting it. I'm allowing the traffic that yes, internet should work into this machine, and I'm clicking on create. As soon as I click on the create, my virtual machine will be ready in just 30 seconds. Okay. Yes, Vishnu Rajesh Mahesh name virtual machine is going to be ready in next 30 seconds. Okay. I'm just copying this name and I'm going into my sheet. Step 2, create a virtual machine. Created, or I can say done. Okay, and just give me 30 seconds. You will see that at this point it is into the creation state, and is as soon as it become a green means it is up and running. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, means in 30 seconds I can create a virtual machine. It is ready. Okay, now what I'm doing it, I'm logging to the virtual machine. It's not tough, it's very simple. Just click on this SSH button. Okay, what is SSH? If someone will give the answer, it will be good for me. Secure shell with port number 22 going inside the virtual machine. Okay, yes, going inside the server. Okay, I just click here. It will take a couple of seconds. Within the next 5 seconds, I will be inside the machine. Okay, cool. Just give me next 5 more seconds, please. Unmute yourself, Siddharth, or everyone, please. Okay, I'm into, this is my name, and I'm into this machine. I have logged in. Okay, now I want to perform some activity. The next step is I want to install a Docker. So I'm becoming a root user. Sudo sudo -i command, I become a root user. Okay, earlier I was a Vikas user. I become a root user at this point. Okay, now what is my next step? Okay, my next step is install a Docker. I'm updating my machine. The reason is I want to teach you with all the good practice or best practice. So I'm updating my machine, and this is a good DevOps practice that all the machine or whatever you're using, it should be up to date. Okay, I'm updating this machine with the command apt get update. I'm pressing enter. It will take some couple of seconds, and all the packages, security packages inside the Ubuntu machine will be updated. Okay, all the packages has been updated. Okay, now what is my next requirement? Install a Docker. To install any software into the Ubuntu, I have to run the command apt install or the name of the software. The name of the software is Docker. I am just running this command. If you want to install any other software, apt install Git will get installed. Apt install Python will get installed. I'm just running the command apt install docker.io, then Docker will get installed. Before that, let's see that Docker is already available or not. Docker-v, I'm checking the version of Docker. Let's check it. It is giving an error. Command Docker not found. Docker is not available. You can install the Docker with the help of this command, apt install docker.io. I'm taking this command, I'm running this command, and I'm pressing enter. Okay, it will take some couple of seconds. It is telling it's of 333 MB. Do you want to install? I'm typing Y and pressing enter. And it will take some couple of seconds, and Docker will get installed in my machine. 32%, 42%, 50, 70, 80, 94, and 97, and 100%. My Docker has been installed. How to verify Docker has been installed or not? With the help of again this command, docker-v. Okay, I am running this command again.
Excuse me, sir.
Raj, please wait. Okay, I'm just running this command docker-v, and you can see that Docker has been installed, which is version 20 in my machine. Guys, okay? Now you can talk with me. Guys, have you understood? I have installed a Docker in this machine with the help of Docker apt install docker.io. Docker version 20 has been installed in my this machine. Means I'm done with the step 3. Yes, no.
Can you check the Docker is running or not version?
I will check it later on. I already checked it, buddy. See, docker-v, and it is telling Docker is already running. That's why Docker version 20 is showing here. If it's not running, it will not show that Docker is running or not, right? Now, what is my next requirement? Okay. Someone was telling infra. Yes, infra is ready. INFERA is READY to deploy the code. Okay, from where we will go get a code. As I want to create a website, I'm going to this website freecss.com. I'm going into this place freecss.com. Okay, now I will give an opportunity to you choose any of the website, whatever you want to create it. You want to create a website for cycle, you want to create a website for cake, you want to create a website for CA casino, or you want to create a website for anything else. From this 12 option, you want to choose anything?
Sir, let's start with Cake Zone.
Cake Zone. Where is Cake
Yeah.
Zone? Yes. Okay. Chalo, Cake Zone. Okay. I think you are a food friendly person.
Yes, sir.
Are you okay with the Cake Zone? Anyone denying, or can I go with the Cake Zone? Chalo, no response means I'm okay with the Cake Zone. Chalo, I'm going to create a Cake Zone website. Okay. What is the requirement? I have to download the code of this. There is an option download. I'm copying the link address. I'm copying the link address and I'm downloading this code into my this location. With ls, I'm checking anything is available. No, nothing is available. Okay, none of the folder is available at this point. I'm running the command wget. Okay, wget is a command. If you want to download anything from the internet into the Linux machine, then I'm using the wget command. I'm pressing enter. It will take a couple of seconds, and yes, something has been downloaded with the name cakezone.zip file. This is the requirement. Are you agree?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Okay, means I'm okay with this. Now, if I get a zip file in Windows, guys, how to unzip it? In Windows, we have to use some software, right? We have to use some software like unzip software, and I have to unzip this file. I'm running the command unzip and cakezone and press enter. It is telling unzip software is not available into your Linux machine. In the Linux, installation is very easy. I'm using the command apt install unzip, and the unzip software will get installed in my machine with the help of this command. Okay, now I'm unzipping this file again with the help of unzip cakezone.zip file. I'm pressing enter. You can see here the website has been unzipped it. I'm typing the ls command, and you can see here some template, cake shop website template has been unzipped into this place. Okay. Yes, no.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Cool. Okay. Now, let's come to this sheet. I have downloaded the website from this place. Which website you downloaded? Cake Zone. Okay, I choose this. Okay, I have unzipped it and file is available. So I have done with the step 4. Okay, I have done with the step 4. Now I am running the nginx container with the help of Docker tool, and I'm going to run this command. I'm not running this command. Before that, let me see is anything is already working or not. Anything is running or not. I'm going into this place. I'm opening the external IP. Yes, what is external IP? Can anyone give me the answer? What is external IP?
Public
IP.
Public IP. Correct. I'm giving this IP to you guys also. Can you check it? Anything is working already into this IP or not? The IP is 3472.199.16. Anything is working?
No, sir.
No. Guys, I need some more confirmation.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Nothing is working. Host not found. Okay, cool. Now what I'm doing it, I'm going here again and I'm running my step 5. Okay. That step 5, what is my file name? I'm again seeing into this. This is my file name where my HTML pages are there. When I'm talking about the code means HTML pages. Where is the HTML pages? I'm just putting into this location. My HTML pages are available into the cake shop website template. Okay. And I'm running this Docker command. I will teach it. No worries, but just bear with me for next 1 minute. I'm just running this Docker command. It will create a container. It will run the container with the Nginx with my cake website. I'm copying this command and I'm running into this place. Guys, just tell me, can I run it? Can you again, do you want to check it that his website is running or not? Let me know, is working or not already?
Yeah. Yes.
It's not working. It's not working. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's not working.
Okay, I'm pressing enter. I press enter. It's downloading Nginx. It's doing the configuration. And can you check it again? It is working or not now? Let me also refresh the page. I'm refreshing it.
It's working now.
Now the cake website is completely up and running. That's the beauty of DevOps. That's the beauty of DevOps tool. Okay. Some people are telling what they are telling. They need a 5 lakh budget. They need a 1 month of time. They need this many things. I also told the same thing. If we have a knowledge, if we have a tool, if we know how to use the tool, we can perform all these things in a couple of seconds. You can see here, the website is completely up and running. Guys, it's running for everyone. Yes or no?
Yes.
Cool. Good.
Yes, running successfully.
Cool. So is this a tough thing or it's a simple thing? If you know
Very simple thing.
It's a very simple thing if you have a
Yes.
knowledge.
Yes, according to you.
According
Not,
to me,
yes, not for me.
according to DevOps, it's very simple. Not to me. Okay, I'm nothing. I know the
Yes.
DevOps tools. That's why it's simple.
Because I'm not aware about DevOps tools.
I'm going to teach you everything.
Yes. Because I'm a backend developer.
That's okay, man. You are a developer already. For you, you are not able to run this small command, 4 commands. You can run it, right?
Yes.
If you are able to run this 4 command, everything is fine. Then I can help you out. Okay.
Okay. Could you please share today's session video?
Recording will be available in the YouTube automatically at the 8 p.m. or at the 7 p.m. today.
Okay. Thanks.
Cool. As a premiere, it will come. No need to worry. Okay. Or you can ping to me. I will give the link as well. Okay.
Okay.
Cool. And I will create one small WhatsApp group also with you guys. No need to leave the meeting. Okay. In some couple of minutes, we will create a small group so that our communication will be easy. Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Okay, guys, I think if you have a knowledge, you can create this type of website very easily. Chalo, I will raise one more question, magical question. I'm using Windows 10. How many students are already using Windows 10 and they want to migrate to the Windows 11? Anyone here who is still struggling to make it on the Windows 11? Saurabh is telling, Anand is telling. Anand, what's your problem? Saurabh, what's your problem? You are
Maybe I'm using office laptop and they do not allow it.
Okay, chalo. Then okay, then I agree. Okay, fine. What else? Anyone else? Anyone is here who is telling that my hardware is not supporting Windows 11? Because lesser than Core i3, it will not allow you. Someone is asking, thus we can make the container is Windows laptop. Yes, we can do it. I will teach that also. No need to worry. Okay, chalo. Let us assume we have a problem. We want to run the Windows 11 on this Windows 11 emulator on this IP address. Okay, I'm going to do in front of you in next 1 minute. Okay, chalo. How to do it? Let's come here again. Okay. Where is my PPT? Yep. Okay. I have did all the steps in front of you in just a couple of 5 minutes with explanation and you are able to understand. I'm going to create another example, which is a Windows 11 emulator, which has been written into the React language. Okay. When I'm talking about the emulator means it's not actual image, but it's a copy of that image or which has been written into the React language. Okay. I have to just run because my infra and everything is already run. With the help of Docker, I just have to run this command. Okay. I'm going again here down And if I will run this command, my Windows 11 will be run on port 3000. Let's check it. Anything is already running on port 3000. I'm going here. I'm copying this. I'm going here. I'm double quoting 3000 and I'm pressing enter. I'm giving this link to you guys also. Can you check it? Anything is working on port number 3000? No. I get one answer. No. I need some more confirmation. I will not trust one person.
No.
No. Okay. I need some more person. 2 is not good number. I need no 3, 4. Okay, cool.
No.
Some people are telling it's not working, means obviously it is not working. Okay. Now what I will do it, I will run only this again a Docker command because my infra is already ready. I'm running a Docker command, means a blue edge is the username for Windows 11 React application on the latest code. And I'm running this on -p is a port number 3000. Why I'm taking a 3000 port? Because it's a React application. React code tells that you have to run the React code in the 3000 port. I agree. I'm just running this URL or running this command into my Linux machine. Can I press enter? Whenever you will say yes, then only I will place the enter.
Yes.
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 I'm pressing the enter. As soon as I press enter, it's downloading, is something is happening. Now it's completed. Okay, it's completed. Can you go again to the port number 3000? Something is loading, something is already starting, and this is nothing but a Windows 11 emulator. 12:22 p.m. 12:22 p.m. is my machine name. 7 Jan, it's creating it. I'm just clicking here. Blue Edge name I have given. I'm clicking on sign in. And I can understand this is a emulator thing which has been written into the React 11 code. And I can understand and my Windows 11 is up and running. Emulator of Windows 11. Guys, you can check it at your machine also. It is up and running. Yes or no?
Yeah.
It's running. Is this tough? Windows 11 installation is very tough. But everything is happening with the help of this small command. One command. If you will understood this command, you can run anything, whatever you want. Can you share the command in the chat box? I already shared into the chat box. Yep. Guys, this is the power of Docker. This is the power of AWS or cloud, or that is the power of DevOps, not AWS. Cloud, you can choose anything, but this is the power of DevOps tools. Things will run very fast if you have the correct command. This type of problem will never happen. Okay, which type of problem? If you will give, the developer will develop everything in a container. He will give a correct command to the operation people. He will run, and the problem will never happen. That will happen. That can be solved, or that type of problem can be solved with the help of Docker. Because these all commands are Docker command. Docker is playing a very big role here. Docker. This is again a Docker command. Now you have seen the practical of Docker, but you don't know what is Docker. Yes or no?
Because
yeah,
if you don't mind, can you give us a demonstration on how to change this HTTP to HTTPS?
Aditya, for that we have to purchase a SSL certificate. Okay. If you will get the SSL certificate, then only we can convert from HTTP to HTTPS. My website is already running on HTTPS. You can see it. It's very secure. Right? Yes or no?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah.
So in our, like in the practical session, we'll be implementing that as well.
I can, yes. See, for my training, what we have one student choice day also. Okay, means you can choose any topic, whatever you want. Okay, you can learn any of the extra topic from me or my group of people. Okay, let us assume you want to learn Azure thing or Azure DevOps, AWS DevOps, SSL certificate, some free certification also, because some students want a free certification. They are telling that, sir, we are paying the fees. Can I get a free global certification? I can say, yes, you will get a global certification. I will teach you how to get the Splunk global certification. I will help you out with the actual training also with the Splunk, and I will help you out with the actual dumps also. so that you can clear this certification and you can write in your resume that you are globally certified with one certification as well, because you are spending your 2.5 months with me, right? So globally plus knowledgeable, you will be into the very good shape.
And one more quick question. So in the meantime, whenever we want to share some scenario, so is it possible like we can do a lab session on that? Let's say I came across a scenario where we have to deploy a Kubernetes pod and it is exposed with HTTP. So we have to convert into
I will do it today in the today or tomorrow session in front of you. Is that okay?
Okay.
Kubernetes port, you want to Kubernetes port expose into is export over the internet, right?
HTTPS.
HTTPS, you have to purchase it. The SSL certificate, you have to purchase it.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you just show me the step, like how to do that?
Okay. Okay. I will show you.
Okay, I will show.
Wait. I will show that. Okay. No worries. I will show that. Okay. Cool. Guys, what all things we have seen in this? We have created the one website. We have created the Windows 11 emulator as well. Okay. This is what we did. Why we did this thing? Because we have to understand the infrastructure as a service. We have to understand the platform as a service. We have to understand the software as a service. When I took the virtual machine or operating system, means I am taking the infrastructure as a service from the provider. I took virtual machine and operating system from the Google Cloud. So I can say that I took the infrastructure from the Google Cloud. Are you agree with this point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct. When I'm taking the virtual machine operating system plus Docker or Nginx also, if Google Cloud will install and give it to me, then I can say that is a platform as a service they are giving to us. Okay, that is possible. They can install, if they are able to give the operating system virtual machine to me, they can install these two softwares also and they can give it to me. That time it's a platform as a service. That service is a what we can say app engine into the Google Cloud. Means I can show into the real time as well. You can go here. Where is my app engine, APPENGINE. Okay, I'm not teaching AWS, so I'm going into the Google Cloud only. Okay, because I don't want to make a single DevOps engineer or single cloud engineer. I will make a hybrid cloud engineer. You will understand the AWS, you will understand the Google Cloud also with me. App engine is the application has been created. Get started. Okay, here you can choose whatever you want to install. Okay, as soon as let's assume you want a platform as a service with Python, you can choose the Python and you can click on this and your things are ready with the Python installation into the virtual machine. That is the app engine service into the Google Cloud. Means if you need a platform as a service, you can choose whatever you want to install. That also you can choose it. There is other option also. You can provide the information. They will install for that you, and they can provide the complete platform. You just have to bring your code and you can use it. So in our cloud, infrastructure also they are providing it. In our cloud, they are providing the platform. They are providing the softwares as well. Some security related, someone was the cyber security engineer, right? Some security related services are ready-made available with us. We just have to use it and we can become a security engineer as well. Okay. This is just a very high level. We have discussed it. When we will talk about our actual classes, okay, in the actual classes, we have to understand about the virtual machine. We have to understand about the Docker, virtualization, virtual machine, containers, everything. Okay, and we will create a Docker Hub account, as well as when we will create an account, I will give the basics of the Docker overview as well, which is on the day 30. Chalo, let's do this part little bit fast by today. Is that okay? Or can we take a 5-10 minutes break, guys, and we will continue our learning? Can we take a 5-minute break?
Sure.
Okay, because I don't want you to go in middle for the drinking water or for any reason. Okay, that's why I'm giving a 5-minute break. You can say 5, 7, 10. 3 options are there.
10 minutes. 10 minutes.
After
Yes.
10 is the higher side. Can we take a middle 5, 7? Okay, let's take a 7-minute. Okay, guys, please be back in 7 minutes. Okay, please be back in 7 minutes. I'm creating a small WhatsApp group. Okay, and I will add you all into that group.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, be back in 7 minutes, please. Okay, because we have lots of learnings are still pending. Guys, whoever is still available here, I have created a group and I have posted the link here. You can join that group, please. Okay. Guys, I'm back. What about you? The time is already up.
Yeah, I am also there. I have one doubt. Can I ask now?
Yep, Bharat, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm using AWS. So is it possible to buy DNS and SSL certificate in GoDaddy?
Yep, definitely. I also purchased from the GoDaddy only.
Okay, because AWS have Route 53 and certificate manager.
Yes.
So that's I have one doubt. So
We can take it from the Route 53 or we can take it from the GoDaddy. GoDaddy is providing free of cost. You don't have to provide any document, nothing.
yes.
Okay. So we
And the Unix controller also we can use in EKS.
can you repeat it, please? Which control?
Actually, Elastic application load balancer for using EKS.
Yep.
In place of application load balancer, we use Unix controller for free open source.
See, if you want to use into the Kubernetes, you have to use the ingress controller. Okay. And
Yes.
you choose any ingress controller, the ILB, the local ISB, Kubernetes also. You can take ingress, Apache, anything, whatever you want.
Okay.
Okay. This work, I did it around 4 or 5 years back. Okay. And because I was working into the Kubernetes project, I will show my GitHub. I raised lots of GitHub issues also. I will show. I hope it will not ask issues. Okay. I raised this type of EKF depending Kubernetes not assigned because I'm the contributor into that as well. My closed issue. Okay.
Okay.
Getting error field. SSH key already present in the metadata for the project in Google Cloud. Something like that. Okay. And yeah, cool. Leave it. This is not our at this point. Yeah, cool. Guys, thank you. Thank you. I hope everyone is back. And guys, I have created a group for you guys. Okay. And I can see some students has already joined. That's really very good for us. Okay. So that we can easily communicate. We will get the recording, which I will upload it here as well in some couple of minutes. Okay. I'm giving the link again. Guys, whoever is still pending yet to join, please join this group. It will be helpful for us. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. And yeah, where we are here. We have created the Windows 11 and what all things we have to learn into the Docker and Kubernetes. Okay. If I will come here, yeah, let's start from the very starting. Okay. You saw the magic and someone has asked the question with me, sir, Srinivas, can you unmute and ask the question with everyone? Srinivas, you are here? You are messaging one-to-one to me. Better, you can ask the question in front of everyone. He's asking, do we have to learn Docker and Kubernetes enough to get a job without coding? I can say Docker and Kubernetes, with the help of Docker and Kubernetes, you will show the magic to your company or your team or your employees, right? But we have to learn everything, all the things. If you will learn, then only you can able to achieve, you can become a good DevOps engineer. Only Docker and Kubernetes is just two tools. Okay, but at least 5 tools from different phases. If you are aware, you will able to perform the activity. Okay, this is my answer. Or cool. We have to understand what exactly the virtualization, what exactly the virtual machine, how to create a virtual machine, advantage, disadvantage of virtual machine, problem with the development cycle, types of virtual machine, who all cloud providers are providing the virtual machine. Okay, and this is other from the cloud provider. This is from the hypervisor as well. I'm going to teach in my actual classes. Okay, shipping challenge, shipping solution, containerization, and software and the system configuration related to the virtual machine. These all topics I will cover up into the virtual machine topic. Plus, these all topics I am going to cover into the Docker classes, and some topics will be into the today's class as well. Okay, introduction to the Docker node, why the Docker or why the node is required. What are the shipping challenges? Okay, I was taking an example from the dev. The code is going to the production environment and it is getting breaked. That type of shipping challenges I'm going to solve in the it is getting solved with the help of Docker. Development plus operations point of view in terms of container, I'm going to teach. Online case side, what we can say, scenarios we will discuss for the online website. What is Docker, who use Docker, what is container, what is the Docker lifecycle, architecture, getting started with Docker, images, containerization, and lot of things with all practicals. Okay, what all practicals? Here is the practical list. Means how to create a container, nginx, and how to deploy it. How to create a database with the help of Docker, we are going to create it. How to create a Jenkins server for the continuous integration with the help of Docker. That also I will take one example today. Let's create one more application, Jenkins, in the today's session. Okay. And we will write a Docker file, which the developer and DevOps people will write it. We will create an application and we will deploy into the Docker, as well as we will take that application into the Kubernetes session as well. Okay, these all things, and we will cover up plus lot of things. We have taken lots of examples also, which I'm not showing into this, what we can say index, but these all things are available, which we are going to discuss. So let's start the thing from a very simple part. Okay, what exactly the Docker is. Okay, what exactly the Docker is. With the help of Docker, we can build our application, we can ship our application, and we can run the application. When I'm talking about the build, means the code, everything will be available into one box. We can ship, means you can see here, the logo of Docker is telling everything. Okay, if you are not aware, you have seen the logo of Docker. If you haven't understood the logo of Docker, then you are in a very bad direction. See this Docker, this is a big whale. In this big whale, there are lots of containers he's taking it, right? What does it mean? Builds has been created, mean with the help of developer, builds has been created, has been pushed into the Docker Hub. I will teach. Okay, build has been created, pushed into the Docker Hub. It has been shipped, means it's a ship. You can put the build into the Docker, or with the help of Docker, you can move from one place to another. Any app, anywhere we can run with the help of Docker. This logo is telling this. Docker is an open platform for the distributed applications, means any variety of application. I took a Windows 11, I took a normal website for developers, system admin, DevOps, and IT operation people. Okay. Not understood? No worry. Okay. Someone has asked the question, can we run a Docker in any of the platform? Yes, Docker can be run in Windows, Linux, Macs, any of the operating system, anywhere. No need to worry. Okay. Before going into the Docker, I have to teach some terms: node, image, container. I am going to take care. No need to worry. Okay. What exactly the Docker is? Docker is a container development service. Here, this point is very important. If you are going to the interview and someone is asking what is Docker, and if you will give this answer, Docker is a container development service, then your answer is very good. When I'm talking about the container, means this all boxes are the containers. Okay, development service means we are getting build of these containers with the help of Docker. The keyword of Dockers are develop, ship, and run. Means we can develop the containers, we can ship the container, and we can run the container anywhere. Okay, if you will see this example, okay, I have run the container. Okay, it has been built with the help of this code. Okay, and I have shipped from where exactly this was. It was available into the Docker Hub. Where is Docker Hub? Let's go to the Docker Hub. I'm going to my internet, my website. Okay, internet. I'm going here. DOCKERHUB. Okay, from this place it all has been downloaded. Okay, if you will see the theory here or the code here, you can see in this place Blue Edge Windows 11 is pulling from somewhere. Okay, it is downloading somewhere and it has been run. Means the Docker has performed the activity of this all things. Okay, means it has developed. I have developed with the help of single command. I have shipped from Docker Hub. Docker Hub is a place where thousands of containers are already available. Can you guess it? How many containers will be available in Docker Hub? Any guess, guys? Not. This is not
showing 10,000, but I don't know.
No, not a 10,000. Okay. 10 lakhs containers are available here. Okay, 10 lakhs containers are available. I haven't searched anything. Docker Hub. Once again, I think I have to log in it. That's why it will give the correct answer. Okay, and if you will see here for the Nginx, which I have downloaded it, it has been downloaded 1 billion times. If you still not yet used, means you are already 1 billion times ahead. Okay, means you have to come up. If you want to learn the Docker, you have to learn all these things as well. Okay, means if I'm coming into this place, okay, in my Docker, with the help of Docker, I have a container. I have developed the container service, deploy, ship, and run anywhere. Docker is a tool used by the developer, system admin, DevOps people. Okay, it has been used by multiple people. Okay, DevOps, developers, and system to easily develop their applications into any of the container. Means if you will see again here, I have developed the thing in form of container. How can we prove that this is all a container? If I will run the docker command, docker ps, what is the Linux command for ps? Can anyone give me the answer? What is the ps command for Linux? Processes. Okay, if I will give the keyword docker, it will give the docker processes. Let's press enter. If you will see here, docker processes, let me make it big screen. Okay, docker processes means container id, image, command, and all the details are available. There are two processes are running. One is nginx, one is Windows 11. Two different processes of docker is running in terms of container. Means two containers are running. One is nginx container, one is Windows 11 container, which you can see over the website as well. Windows 11 container on run 3000 port. nginx is running on port 80 because this is I am running as a website. Okay. To run and host the operating system on the Linux. At this point, it is hosted into the Linux. The whole idea of Docker is to develop the application, ship the application, and container can be deployed anywhere. The idea of making this is with the help of single command. With the help of single command, you can run the application anywhere. That is the use of Docker. Have you got it or not got it? No? Okay, chalo. No, not got it. Okay, let me take as in not got it. Okay, let me start the thing in a very simple way. You have a house, okay? You have a house which is in Bangalore and you want to move your complete house item from Bangalore to another city. How you will do it, guys? Can you give me the answer?
Hire a courier service.
You can take the packers and movers. What they will do, they will pack your all items and then you can move it from one city to another. One approach, and that is a good approach. Okay, means you will hire a container. Okay, you will get a container. In that container, according to your goods, okay, your what we can say, your kitchen item, everything into a single box or multiple box for the kitchen item, multiple box for the bedroom items, multiple box for the house item. Everything should be packed in a container and it has been moved from one city to another. If you will earlier, what will happen when the developer is writing the code and giving to the operation people, they are telling that install Java, install binary, install library, all these things, means a manual kind of thing. And with the help of this approach also, things were happening. But if any of the mistake is happening, any things can break. The breaking chances are very more. But if you will pack everything into a container, it will never break. Okay, that concept has been bring by the Docker. Means with the help of Docker, we will create a container like this with everything, whatever is required to run the application. Everything will pack into one box and we will give the box to the someone who can run it. I can take an example. This is a mobile phone, right? If I want to give a mobile phone to you and I will open all the parts and I will give it to you, and means let assume you have purchased a mobile phone. Okay, you want to take a mobile phone, but all the parts are coming one by one to you and you have to assemble it. Are you able to run the mobile phone properly, or you may break it? Give me the answer.
We will not able to use it, right?
We will not able to use it because everything is working, all things are good, but we are not able to assemble it, right? But if let assume in the mobile phone, all the parts have been packed and look like in a container, you can just click on open and it will work. That is a good approach, right? The container or Docker is also bringing the same thing, that we have lot of different parts of the application. Like where is the image? I'm bringing that image. Yeah. Okay. There are lots of different parts of the application, like a static website, front end website, background, user, DB, queues. Or I can take an example, whatever you guys are telling, right? Admin, load balancer, DB, container, code, lot of different things are there. Everything has been packed in a single box or a single container, and I run with the help of Docker. Means I run the nginx with the help of Docker and I am able to run it. That is the use of Docker. Have you got it? Anand, Aditya, Shiva?
Yeah, good. Yes, sir.
Cool. Okay.
Yes, with us.
That is a Docker. Okay, on a very high level. There are a lot of things I have to discuss, but I don't want to take it now. Okay, we'll learn into the actual classes, but this is Docker. Okay, when I'm coming more inside it, how to get a Docker for our Windows machine or how to get it for the Linux machine. Okay, there is a place hub.docker.com. We can go into this place and we can create our own account. Anyone here who want to create an account? Can you give me your email address? I will create an account for you in front of everyone. I need an email address of yours. Anyone from this group? Anyone, can you write your email address into this? Okay, I get it from the Suraj Gupta. Okay, Suraj, I'm creating a Docker account in front of everyone for you. Okay, how to create it? I'm clicking on the register. I went to the hub.docker.com. I'm clicking on the sign up. I'm giving your email address, that is a Suraj Gupta, and I'm giving the username as this much. Okay, you can also use the same logic, guys. Email address and username will be before @ you can give it. I'm giving the password. I will give it to you, Suraj, in some couple of seconds. Okay, I choose the password. You have to allow, okay, occasional products. The reason is you are new into this, and if you are new, if you will get an option or you are getting information related to Docker, it will be good. You have to agree the terms and condition. You have to prove you are not a robot. Okay, and as soon as you will click sign up, the account will get created. Okay, Suraj, can you check it? Have you got any email, any verification email? Suraj, I think you get some verification email in your inbox. You can check it. I already given a password which I have created for you. You can click on the personal $0, Docker desktop, Docker repository, Docker engine, Kubernetes. Guys, Kubernetes is also coming automatically free of cost to us. Okay, unlimited image, unlimited tokens, everything is unlimited here into the personal account. That is zero of cost. You don't have to pay anything. You have to just click on continue and your account is created. Everything is good. Suraj, can you verify your email address, please? From your inbox, you get one verification email. Suraj is here. Suraj Gupta.
He texted S.
Yeah, I have already verified.
Okay, verified it. Let me refresh it. Yeah, email is verified, all good. Okay, and you are getting an option download for desktop Windows. Okay, as soon as you will click here, your Docker software for Windows is getting downloaded. I don't want to download it. You can download from this place. Okay, the Docker installation or Docker software is very easily available into this. As soon as you will create an account, welcome to the Docker Windows application is available. But I will never encourage you to learn the Docker or Kubernetes in Windows. No. Okay, don't use it because our system, our hardware is not heavy. Okay, that's not good. We will learn everything on a cloud. Okay, cloud means we will create a virtual machine and we will install into the virtual machine. That's a good approach. Okay, and we will do the things into the local machine also, but I don't need your heavy machine. Okay, I don't want to use your local resource. I want to teach on a cloud, so we will create a machine on the cloud. This is the first approach. You can download the Docker for your Windows machine as well. Okay, secondly, there are multiple approaches. Docker for Windows, you can go into this location also, or you can download it if you want. Okay, second option, Docker installation or Ubuntu or Linux machine. Just run this three command. Sudo -i, become a root user, update all the packages and run the command apt install docker.io and Docker will get installed in your machine. This is the second approach. Is that okay? This is the apt approach. Guys, okay? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Anyone else also? Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Cool. Okay. And Docker is telling if you don't want to install in your local machine also, that is also fine. You can go and use the free playground. Docker is providing a free playground to us. You can go with the account which you have created it. You can go into this link, lab.playwithdocker.com, log in, Docker, with the help of Docker. I'm logging with the Suraj Gupta account, which I have created in front of you. I'm clicking on accept. As soon as I will click accept, I'm getting an option start. I'm getting an option start. As soon as I will click start, it will take some couple of seconds and you will be landed into the playground of Docker, which is available free of cost. You don't have to do anything. Guys, can anyone ask the question with me? Virtual machine, how to create a virtual machine will take how much time to create it? Can you give me that answer? If I want to create a virtual machine or instance, how much time will be required? 30 seconds. Okay. What else?
Less than 1 minute.
2 minutes. Okay. 30 seconds, 2 minutes. Okay. After
Less
learning
than 1 minute.
less than 1 minute. Okay. What else? What else? With the Docker. Now I'm changing my keywords. With the Docker, how much it will take time to create a
1
machine?
minute.
Okay.
One click.
Yes, this answer is kind of good. Okay, one click. You need a machine, just click here, add new instance. It will take lesser than 30 seconds and your machine is ready. You want one more machine? I created one machine with the IP 192.168.0.28 node 1. You need one more instance. Just click here. Lesser than 30 seconds, lesser than 20 seconds, and one more node is ready. One more machine is ready. Is this good? Rakesh, not even 10 seconds also. It's lesser than 10 seconds. Instance are not containers. Okay, instance is a platform where Docker can run and we can create a container. I will explain, Keshav. Guys, earlier virtual machine creation is tough, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Right, it was tough activity, but now you can just click here. In a couple of seconds, free of cost, another machine is ready. It's not required that many machines. Okay, one machine is enough. I'm just teaching you. Okay, how to delete it. You want to delete node 2, just click on the delete and it will get deleted. Now this machine is ready. Whatever you want to learn, you can learn from this also. You can learn the Linux from here. You can learn the Docker also from here. You can learn the Kubernetes also here. No need to go to any cloud provider. No need any credit card. Nothing required. You can come into this place and you can learn the things whatever you want, free of cost. Is that okay? Yes or no, please?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Okay, I'm going to my sheet again. Okay, means I will provide you the multiple approaches for everything. Okay, it's not like I will teach only one approach. No, I want to teach you lots of approach. Okay, approach 1 Windows, approach 2 Linux, approach 2 free of cost on a playground. Just go here, click here, one click and it will be done. Okay, I will teach one more scripting approach, not now. Okay, if I will teach everything in one day, you will be get confused. Okay, I don't want to take it now. Okay, let's do one practical. There are some Docker commands you have to understand. Okay, to understand the to able to play with the Docker. Okay, at this point we are learning the Docker. If you want to play with the Docker, just understand this small command. Okay, ps running process, image, run, start, stop. I was using the Docker run command only. Okay, if you will see my sheet, I was running a Docker run command only. Means with the help of run command, I am running the containers. Okay, like that I am doing the things. Okay, and the concept of Docker is everything has to be packed into a container and using it. I'm packing everything in a container and I was running it. Okay. So let's do one more practical. Okay, let's do one more practical. Have anyone used a Jenkins earlier in your real time? Anyone see the Jenkins installation?
Yes.
Okay, Ashok, how much time it will be required to create a Jenkins server for you?
Minimum 30 minutes.
Minimum 30 minutes. How much is your experience? What you are doing? Ashok, can you give me some more answers?
Within 2 minutes to 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes.
Bharat, then I need your help. What you are doing right now?
I am a AWS DevOps engineer.
Okay, cool, good. 2-3 minutes. Why you required 2-3 minutes? What you will do in 2-3 minutes?
2-3 minutes. First, we can create a JDK. After we can install by using wget command to install Jenkins.
My
After
God.
complete Jenkins, we start Java Java Jenkins
But wait,
for
wait, wait,
running.
wait. Bharat, slow. Bharat, you are a BHA, RAT, you are a DevOps engineer. How much is your experience?
17.
1 year.
Yes.
2 years. So let's take 2 years. Okay. Yeah. Give me the steps. JDK will be required. Okay. What else will be required?
Yes. Maven also install. Maven required
Okay.
for
Okay.
building the package.
Okay. What else will be required?
And next wget command, we can go the Jenkins official site. Here we take the link.
Correct. Cool. Very good. Yes.
And
Very good.
after we can complete, we can run the command Java -jar for running the Jenkins.
Very good. Okay. And Jenkins installation will be required, right?
Yes.
Right. So these all things you have to do it. Okay? I appreciate you are a good DevOps engineer. Okay. I appreciate you are a good DevOps engineer. Okay. Mute yourself, Ashok, everyone, please. Okay. Whatever step you are telling, whatever step you are telling, I absolutely agree. These all steps are required. That all things is primarily if you will work on a Jenkins. Okay. These all steps are already in my sheet. I will show you. Where is my sheet? When I will teach a Jenkins, whatever the steps are telling by Mr. Bharat, these all steps are already in my sheet. Okay, I will tell you. Bharat, you have to confirm me one more time. Okay, are you talking about these all things? One second. I'm just searching. Where is that CICD? Sorry, here. I opened the experience person thing. These are the Jenkins installation steps. Okay. Where is that? No. Yeah, you are talking about this. Install Jenkins on Ubuntu machine. Install Java, sudo apt, install this, add the Jenkins repository, install Jenkins, verify installation Jenkins, like that, right? Bharat, yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone agree? Or whoever has experienced people, they have to be agree that this is the required to install a Jenkins on the Ubuntu machine or Linux machine.
Yes.
2-3 persons are telling yes, that's good. Okay. These all steps I will convert into one step with the help of Docker. Okay. Chalo, let's do it. Let's do it. How we can do it? I'm going into my practical. I'm taking this command. Okay. I'm taking this command. I'm coming into this place. Everything, whatever Bharat is telling, I am absolutely agree. I respect that. Okay. But as I am a DevOps engineer, I am a good Docker engineer. Okay. I can run the Jenkins with the help of Docker. Okay. What I will do it? I will run the command Docker run Jenkins on port 8080. Okay. Run the Jenkins on port 8080. Take the Jenkins package or container available in Docker Hub and run it. Run on an interactive mode, run on a detach mode, and run on a port number 8080. Interactive means I will talk with that container. Detach means I will don't go inside it, be out only. Okay. -p means on a port number 8080. Let's check on my website again. I am going here. Let's check on this 8080. Anything is running? 8080. Let's check. Anything is running? Guys, can you also check it? Anything is running on 8080? I'm checking. Nothing is running on port 8080. Yes, no.
Nothing.
Nothing is running. Okay. Can I run Jenkins server on port 8080 with the help of this command?
Yes.
Bharat, I need a yes from you. I need a yes from someone who is telling that 5 minute, 30 minute, whatever it is. Okay. I am running this command into this place. Let me know when I have to press enter, because as soon as I press enter, it will work.
What about the Cake Zone website? It's hosted on 8080 or only 80?
Cake Zone is running on 80.
80 is different and 8080 is different.
Yes. Different ports.
Yes, you can enter.
in your house, there are multiple gates, right? So I'm going to the server from the multiple different gates. Okay, like that. Okay, can I press enter? Have you verified? I will not trust one person.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes.
Verified.
Verified. All okay. Chalo, cool. Now I'm pressing a enter. Okay. It is downloading. Something is happening. Pulling, extracting is happening. Extraction is happening. Okay. It will take some couple of minutes, not couple of minutes, couple of seconds. Something downloaded, run. Okay. Now can you verify it on port 8080? Anything is working? Can you verify, guys, on port 8080 anything is running or not?
Jenkins is loading up.
Jenkins is loading. Okay. This is not only Jenkins server, man, CI/CD server. Okay. Yep. It is loading.
It's asking for sign in and administrative password.
Yes, I'm the administrator. Okay, I have that password. Okay. Go ahead, guys. Is that okay? Jenkins server is up and running. It's came up.
Yes.
Bharat, help me out.
Yes.
Bharat, help me out. You are an experienced person.
Can you say in the container the password is there? You can copy paste that one.
Correct. Cool. Okay, you are telling that the password will be available into this location. Correct?
Yes.
Cool. Very good. Okay. I'm going to the location. How to can I go with the command cd and run this?
Yes.
No, what?
No, use cat.
Directly we can
Cat.
cat.
Okay. Sorry. Yes, it should be cat. Okay. Cat. Okay. Can I press enter?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm pressing enter. Sorry, no directory, no file available.
So you can need a sudo privilegation.
I'm already a sudo. I'm already a root user. Someone already given.
Yeah.
Has already given the correct answer into the chat.
I think you need to enter.
No. First, we need to interact with the container.
Correct. At this point, I'm into the virtual machine only. Vishnu, Rajesh, Mahesh. Okay. I have to go inside a container. Hello guys, help me out. How to go inside a container?
As Docker exe.
Docker attach container name.
I'm running the command docker ps. Sorry, my mistake. docker ps. I'm running the docker ps. Guys, please mute yourself. Okay.
Docker attach container name.
Mute yourself, whoever has the background noise. Yeah, it's okay now. Okay, I run the docker ps command. Where is my Jenkins? Okay, this is my container ID, right? This is my container ID. I'm going into this. I'm creating a command. Okay, I'm creating a command. This is the command with the help of docker exe-it. Okay, execute inside a container. I'm going inside a container. Ashok, mute yourself. There is a background noise from your side. I'm going inside a container into the bin bash location. Means I'm running the exe-it command. I'm going inside a container with the help of this command. Let me run this command and see what will happen. I run this command and I'm pressing enter. No such container -it, guys. Something wrong. Can you help me out? What is wrong here? I feel some experienced people are here. Can you help me out? What is the wrong here?
Can you go Docker containers once? Docker.
Okay, I'm here. Let me make the full screen. Let me make the docker ps command again.
Docker.
I'm enter. Okay. Here is the container ID. Yes.
Yes. Can you go Docker exe-it container name?
DockerEXEC-it container name. I'm pasting it.
And give the arguments bin bash.
Correct. Superb. Okay. Now I'm inside. Now I'm inside a Jenkins machine. Okay. Now I'm inside a Jenkins container. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Bharat. Okay. I run the exe- command with the container ID in the bin bash and I'm inside it. Cool. Now I have to run the cat command. Okay. Now I'm going again into my browser. Okay. I'm going here. I'm copying this location where my password is available. I'm going into my server again. I'm running the cat command and I'm running the location. I'm pressing enter. I get the password. Okay, no need to worry, guys. Who are not able to understand, no need to worry. I will teach everything because you don't know the Jenkins at this point. Okay, that's why you don't know. I will teach everything from the starting, from very basic. Okay, because I want to make a DevOps engineer. I will teach everything. I am pressing enter. My Jenkins server will be ready. I am installing the plugins. Okay, all the automatic plugins will happen. It will take some couple of seconds, and my Jenkins server will be up. And
Can I tell one thing?
yeah, Bharat, go ahead.
Yeah, before running Docker container, given Docker run -it means it will get directly give the password.
Yeah, correct. I can do that also. But I want to teach the manual things also, right? You are an experienced person, but not everyone. Correct? Cool. Okay. It will take some couple of seconds. My Jenkins server will be up and running. Okay. Guys, this is the beauty of Docker. We can run any of the application, any of the packet, okay, any of the container, which is binary, library, or in simple language, if I will tell you, okay, I'm going here. Yeah. Okay. Means to run a Jenkins, I need a Java. Okay, to run a Jenkins, I need a Java, I need a JDK, I need a Jenkins software, I need a configuration. These all things are happening with the help of single Java command and single Docker command, and everything is happening automatically so that it will never break. Okay, that's the beauty of Docker, and that's the beauty of DevOps engineer because they are using a Docker. All the manual things has to be get automated with the help of Docker. That's why in the production environment, in the real time, companies are adopting a Docker into the real time. That's why I'm telling, if you will see again my definition, what is Docker? Docker is a container. I will come back. Okay, I will come back. I will come back. I will come back. Yeah. Docker is a container development service. Means I'm developing a container with the help of Docker. Are you agree with my point now? Yes or no?
Yes.
What about others? Azruddin, Dev Krishna, Kamlesh, Purva, Rakesh. All okay? Digestible or not digestible?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, cool, cool. I think guys, that's it for today. Okay, tomorrow we will go more deeper into the Docker, and I will just give a reason why we have to learn you got the reason why we have to learn a Docker. The reason is instead of doing 10 or 20 manual steps, or it will get breaked if you will not use the Docker, it will get breaked. If everything will be into the container, it will not get. That's the reason we have to understand or we have to learn the Docker. This is the reason. Now, if I will ask the question with you, why we have to learn the Kubernetes? Can anyone give me the answer?
It will manage the containers.
It will manage the containers. Why?
Because there is no downtime. When user want downtime.
Okay, this is okay, but I need a better answer. Container orchestration tool, Keshav is telling that's okay. I need some more, much more better answer.
To manage thousands of containers
scaling and
in a day.
Descaling. Ashok, yeah, complete your point.
For high availability and auto scaling and descaling.
Okay, that is also correct. Anyone heard about the name Netflix? I will take the case study of Netflix in my Kubernetes. Okay, means how the Netflix works with the Kubernetes. I'm going to teach that also. Okay, in the Netflix, if you will see here, 3 million of containers are running a week. 3 million containers. Ashok, mute yourself, please. 3 million containers are running over the week. So is that possible? 3 millions of containers can be managed manually with the help of command?
No.
No, impossible. We cannot manage 3 millions of container with the help of Kubernetes, with the help of Docker commands. It's not possible. That's why we need a Kubernetes who will manage this 3 million containers with the single command. That's why Kubernetes is required to understand or to learn into the real time. At this point, what we did, I'm just leaving everything. Okay, I'm leaving everything, leaving. I'm not teaching at this point. Okay, I'm going at the end. Okay, yeah. Okay, with the help of Docker file, we will create a containers. Okay, we will create a container. We will create a Docker image, Docker file, some set of code. I will teach you. Very simple, guys. It's very simple. I will teach you. We will create a build. We will create a Docker image. With the help of Docker image, we will push it and we will pull it. Then we will create a Docker container. Okay. Till now, we were doing it in the Docker sessions. Okay. After the container has been created, You can take this container into AWS Cloud, Azure, Google, Kubernetes, anywhere. Okay, means 10 million containers. If you will create it, you can manage all these 10 million containers. Impossible with the help of Docker command, but practically possible with the help of Kubernetes, and Kubernetes has been provided by everyone. Is that okay? Yes, no?
Yes.
What about others? I will not trust one person. I need some more yes, no. Recording of the session will be available. No worries. If you are into my WhatsApp group, I will post it there. What else? Guys, I need yes or no, please. Someone else, some people else. Okay, cool. Now, is anyone is still confused as a DevOps engineer what we have to do it? I have the answer for that also. In the life cycle of Ashok, mute yourself. In the life cycle of Docker file is there, some set of command which has been written by the developer or some DevOps people. Okay, they will write the code. Build, who will do this build? Build is just a single command, Docker build command, which will be run by the DevOps engineer. We will create images, we will create a containers, and we will run this container with the help of automation again, with the help of tool again. We will not run these commands manually. We will put this command into the Jenkins. Jenkins will able to run that command with the automation. Okay, that type of work we DevOps engineer will do. Okay. Kamlesh is asking the question, not able to understand the Docker command. Kamlesh, I haven't teach the Docker command yet. Okay, new area. Yes, I agree. Because see, I cannot take everything in one session. Okay, because if I will teach everything in one session, it will be a full kachra. Okay, I will teach this thing slowly, one by one, in a days kind of thing. Means virtual machine, I will take care in one day. Docker, I will take care in the same day, theory part. Docker installation, I will take care on the next day. Then Docker architecture, I will take care. Docker basic command, nginx containers, I will take one practical, I will take two practical, three practical in one day. Then I will teach this all things into the 3-4 days related to the Docker. Rajesh is asking main task about the creating a Docker file. Okay. At this point, what I am doing it, I am downloading the images from the Docker Hub. At this point, I am downloading the image from the Docker Hub. But this is a 4-line code, 3-line code, 3 line of Linux code is a Docker file. Okay. If you will come back here, what is Docker file? Okay. Docker file is a TXT file or text document which contains a Docker command. If you know the Docker command, you can write into the single file and you can run it. That is a Docker file. A main reason, with the help of this Docker file, the images will get created. You are telling Docker is a container creation tool, right? So how the container will get created? With the help of Docker file. This is the code has to be written into the Docker file, which has been written by the developers or DevOps people. They will combine and they will write this code. Make sense? Yes or no? Cool. Okay. I think yes, guys, that's it for today. If you have any question, feel free to raise your hand and ask with me. I will take care of all your questions now. It's a very big sheet, guys. It's not a small sheet, okay, which I have to cover up. If you will see here in the PPT, around 63 slides are there, and which I can't complete in one day. Practically impossible for the Docker. 63 slides for the Docker, which I have to teach it to you, and I will teach in my actual program. Okay, and Kubernetes will be the next topic. Okay, means if you will see here, Kubernetes will be here. Kubernetes also has some 52. Let's see how many slides are there. Okay, around 40 slides are there for Kubernetes, which I have to teach to you. Okay. So tomorrow I will show the Kubernetes on a high level. Okay, today I show the Docker on a high level. Is that okay?
Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
Cool.
The classes will be on weekend only.
It's a regular class, Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday.
Yeah, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. IST. The details is available already on my website. You can come into this place. You can click into this. And if who is ready to register, who want to join it, okay, you can fill this detail and you can join it. Okay. And it's, yes, it's a chargeable. The cost of the actual batch is 22,000 rupees. Okay. Which we are charging. And it's a very less as compared to the quality, as very less as compared to the quantity or quality. Completely, it's a live training sessions. All the things, whatever we are showing based on the syllabus, we are taking care. And one more very important point, guys, as you are joining this from the DevOps, right? From the day 21, okay, because you will directly coming to the DevOps sessions, okay. And after this, if you will come into my next batch, which is going to start from the 15th of Feb, if you will join it, that will be free of cost to you. Okay, you don't have to pay the fees again. You can revise it completely again one more time with me. Okay, so this batch, we can say this 1 month you will learn all this DevOps tool. Again, 1.5 months, 2.5 months, you will learn the DevOps and AWS again. Means 5 months you will be with me to learn all these things double. That's a double benefit for you. Before break time, you have created the WhatsApp group. How to join? Okay, WhatsApp group, how to join? I think there is a link. I will give it to you. Where is the WhatsApp link? WhatsApp group. Here is the link. Copy link. Guys, I have created the WhatsApp group. Here is the link. You can join it. Is that okay? How to get job on DevOps as a fresher? Okay, you don't have to worry. This is a very known question. You will get the answer how to get a job. If you have a learning, if you have the knowledge, I will help you out with the interview. You can go for the interview and you can see this person who as a fresher get a job into multiple offers, he get it. Okay, how non-tech fresher also plays in Paytm and Hipla. Okay, non-tech fresher. Okay, he also got, his name is Ankit. And if you want, did you know that I can show his chat also? Where is that chat? Ankit. Okay, ANKIT. Okay, Ankit batch 25. Okay, and you can see the chat. Leave it. Happy Teachers Day. Good morning. I'm interested. CTC location. See, hi sir, I'm interested. What is the CTC? I'm just helping him. And you can see here, I given the training certificate also. And hi sir, 6 months, because he was looking for the 6-month certificate. And before that only he got a job. This said, I want to guide from someone. Ankit sir, this said today I brought, okay, earphones. He brought it. Very good. Okay. Yeah, see here. Hi Vikas sir, Ankit this side. I am selected in Paytm as a fresher for the DevOps profile and happy to execute the join as a Paytm very soon. Okay, he joined a Paytm. Okay, only in this 2 months I learned a lot things due to my thing. Okay, and possible I remember your words. It's not it's a journey. Okay, means it's not an ending thing. Okay, if you will learn the things, you will explore more into it. And this, he got a job. Paytm is better. Okay, he was asking me, leave the question. These two companies, a small company reviews, I told him Paytm is better because he got a multiple offers, right? This site, this all details are there, kind of thing. Okay, and you can see his video also, which is available in our YouTube. Okay, let me remove this ad. Okay. And see, Ankit, fresher, 0 year experience. This is the person he get a offer as a fresher. Ravi Teja, your answer is okay. Have you got your answer? And batch timing, someone is asking the batch timing. Batch timing is 8 a.m. IST, morning 8 a.m. IST. Because 8 a.m. we feel before the office or before, as soon as you will start your day with a good thing, means this is your power hour. Whatever we will learn into this, it will be remembered for a long term. Okay, and 8 a.m. is there. I feel that after office is not a good time because sometime you will be late from the office, sometime multiple reasons, right? You have to extend your office or whatever it is. And regular batch, the reason is every day if you will learn the things, because my syllabus is very big. Okay, it's not a small syllabus. If I will take this course over the weekend, it will run for the 6 months. Agree with my point? Yes or no? Because syllabus is very big. Guys, are you agree? If
Yes,
I
yes.
take this over the weekends, it will go for minimum 4 months. I was doing the weekend batch also. Okay. And if you want to come over the weekend batch, that is also fine, not a big deal. But I will always encourage you to come into the regular batch so that you will learn the things in the 3 months and you will become a DevOps engineer in 3 months itself. Because regularly you will interact with me, you can ask the regular questions with me at the end of every session. How I'm giving opportunity to you to talk, to ask the questions, you can ask the questions with me any day. Okay. Plus we have a workshop sessions also. What does it mean? Workshop means whatever the questions you have, you can, if you want to share your screen, you want to ask anything, you can ask on this workshop as well. Means as soon as we will complete the topic, we will create a workshop kind of thing, primarily for the Linux. We will create a workshop primarily for the AWS kind of thing. Okay. Means you can share a screen. If you are stuck in this practical, you can ask the question with me. The batch which we have started on 12th December. Okay. You can see here, students are started doing the practical. I can show this also. Classroom, my Google Classroom. Okay. In the Google Classroom, why it's a little bit slow? No. Batch 28, you can see my students has started giving the practicals as well. Classwork. Okay. Practical 1, practical 2, practical 5. How many students has submitted that practical also? You can see here. Out of 15, 7 students has done the practical. Out of 15, 7 students had done the practical. Okay. You can see the details. Bhushan has did, Chanukya has did, Jatin has did, and like that. Okay. They are doing the practicals as well. So I can track, we are tracking everything, our student, that how much they are doing it. And they will get a points based on that. Because see, it's not like that you have joined me. No, we will encourage you to do the practical. You will do the practical, because if you will see here, out of 15, 50% students has already did the practical. And if you are not doing, means you are not doing the activities. You have to do the homework as well. And whatever the 20, 50 practicals are there, you have to do everything. That's your choice. If you will not do it, that's okay. You will not provide the screenshot, that's okay. But you have to do it if you really want to learn the things. Yes or no?
Yes.
Cool. Yeah, guys, that's it from my side. Anything else? If you have any question, feel free to ask. Yes, no, all good. At least 1 or 2 questions, please.
Because you're saying there is a live project, right?
Yep, this is a live project. All projects are live.
There is like 3 live projects, right? So the same way how you are conducting the lab sessions,
Correct.
there will be the resources like that for the live projects as well.
Yes.
From starting to ending, or
from starting to ending, including code, including virtual machine, including everything, including all the DevOps tool, everything. Like today, I did the step by step, right? Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, right? I will do the activity same like this, and I will give you everything like that. If you need a code, you can, I will help you out with the GitHub. Okay. I will give you the code. If you need a code into this place, I can give it into the chat also. If you need the code into the WhatsApp group, someone can copy this and paste into the WhatsApp group as well. Anything is fine. We are completely open. Shiva, no, we have
We can join Google class.
Yes, you can see there is no Google classes. Okay. You can join the you are talking about this Google class.
Yes, for you are sharing something in Google Classroom.
That is for my registered student, not for everyone.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Yep. Okay, guys, if nothing, we will continue our tomorrow Kubernetes session. Okay. We will start from little bit from the Docker, and then we will go into the Kubernetes, and we will discuss more into primarily on Kubernetes for tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. And guys, if you are really interested to join our batch, please ping me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number, which is showing into the website. Okay. I will help you out. I will help you out with the payment, how to do it, and you can join my batch. Okay, and you are most welcome to join our batch 28. Okay, which has already started, and we will allow you free of cost in our batch 29 also. The reason is you will get a double benefit. Okay, if you will join now, you will get a 2 batches access. Okay, 28 and 29. Cool. Thank you everyone. And and recording will be available. I will post into our WhatsApp group in some couple of minutes. Okay, recording link, I will post it. Thank you. And if you want to watch this recording again, we will upload as a premiere. Okay, in our in our Facebook, in our what we can say, in our YouTube link. Okay, I will give a link. Okay, and premierly we will watch. Can we decide a time? 8 p.m. is okay for you guys to watch the recording? Guys, 8, 9, 10, which time you want to watch together? If you want to do the practical, anytime, you can decide it. Guys, tell me, just number. 8, 9, 10, 11. At which time you need a recording? 8, 9, 10. 8. 8. Okay, sure. 8 p.m. IST, the recording will be available on the YouTube as a premiere on my YouTube channel. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And I will give the link into our WhatsApp group as well, which we have created just a couple of minutes back. And thank you everyone. Bye-bye.